Hi families, I just want to quick go over our lesson for today. Today we worked with odd and even numbers. We did a bunch of different activities to help the children understand the difference between an odd number and an even number, and how even numbers you're able to make a pair or a partner, which is illustrated by these little empty bags here. And we used manipulatives, so we actually used blocks. We connected them together, and then we looked to see visually that we have one left over. We looked for patterns, and we discovered in patterns that numbers with ending digits in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers, and numbers with digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. So I'm just going to go through this little tutorial with you, and this is one of the features that you'll have in your Think Central account. I just have to print the student accounts and get that to you. So here it says count by twos, and this little tutorial helps you so that they would count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you can practice skip counting by twos. And then it says which numbers are missing. The numbers that are missing here. Is it letting me? Of course, it's not working when I want to. There we go. So we would have to start by, the first missing number is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then here it says count by twos from 2 to 50. So they did this today in their workbook. So in their homework tonight, they might have something similar where they have to count. And so you can practice counting up to 50 with your second grader. Let me see if it will let me go to the next one. Okay. Count by twos to complete the pattern. Then they went, instead of starting at 2 and counting up to 50, they started like in the middle of it. So in this case, 22. So they might whisper, think to themselves, what comes after 22? 23. I'm going to skip 23. Next is 24. Next would be 25. I'm skipping 25. 26. Next would be 27. I'm skipping 27. 28 and 30. Same thing in here. They would skip count. Now this time is a little bit more challenging because they don't give you the starting number, so they almost have to work backwards. So in this case, they could try to think backwards. So 40, what comes before 40? 39. Before that, 38. 36. 34. 32. Okay. And then here we're starting with a larger number. So again, 76 and then counting up. So you would have 78, counting by twos. Oops, excuse me, 80, 82, and 84. And as you can see, it gets a little more challenging as we move forward. So then they had to figure out, so we had little, we use these connector blocks, and we also did circle drawings as well. So as a number of circles, even or odd, and they can see here, they could do a couple things. They could loop, they could put a loop, like an actual circle loop. I'm kind of doing it with my arrow with the two, or they could draw a line connecting the two. So if they connected to see that we can make all these partnerships, we see that we have one left over. The number of circles is odd. And in class, we actually connected these. Obviously, the goal is for them to visually be able to see that every single one of these circles has an opportunity to, or has a partner here and can make a pair. So just by looking at it, that they would be able to say that this number is even. And then again, by looking, or in their homework, they will be connecting the circles together with a line to show that they are partners. So again, this is even. Again, by looking at this, we can tell right away by looking, this one's left over. This is odd. Again, by looking here, we can tell that there's one left over. This is odd. And then here it says try to make equal groups. So select odd, even, or odd and even. So the number 7, what they did is they counted. So this is circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, circle 4, circle 5, circle 6, circle 7. And then they would be able to see, they could connect these two, and these two. You have one left over. So the number 7 is odd. Same thing here, try to make equal groups. So again, they wrote the numbers, they drew circles, 1, but they just numbered the circles. So you want 14 circles total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This number is even. We don't have anything left over. Then the doubles equation. So doubles equations are when you have two of the same number to make a new number. So for example, I'm just going to do one that would be wrong. Even though 5 plus 1 does equal 6, it's not a doubles. We want, when you have two of the same number, so 3 plus 3 equals 6. So a doubles equation means you have that number doubled. That's what a doubles equation is. So again, complete the addition doubles equation. You're thinking, what digit is the same that if I double that amount, it equals 14? So 7 and 7 is 14. Congratulations, we did it. And parents, I hope you found this video helpful in helping your child with their homework. Thanks for watching.